What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Thanks to everyone who watched the last video where we took out the stock diffuser and installed the carbon fiber rear diffuser and upgraded exhaust tips. In this video, we're going to be installing some more carbon stuff. We've got the carbon fiber winglets and then a carbon fiber front splitter, both again from Kies Motorsports. Check them out, they've hooked it up fat, and they've got a ton of parts for BMWs. But I'm going to go ahead and transform the front end of the BMW today, and if we have enough time, we'll also be installing the carbon fiber side splitters as well. But this whole car is getting transformed. Let's dive right into it. So to slide those winglets on, we're going to have to trim off this rubber flap. I think they put this on, honestly, for like gas mileage or something. But there's just a couple 8mm screws holding these on. I'm going to take each side off so I can trim this off real nice, and then we'll get those put on. Charge your batteries. So I still got to get rid of this plastic lip, so I just got a little cutoff wheel, and essentially I'm just going to go right along this front edge to get rid of this and smooth it up, but still retain the mounting points needed. So I just drilled some holes for that mounting point for these guards. Now I'm just going to use some 3M tape. I'll probably lay like 2 or 3 strips in each one so that it'll hold it to the bumper, and then this will keep it locked in and we'll be ready to rock. Now I'm just going to wipe down this area with some isopropyl alcohol, make sure it's super clean, that way the 3M tape can stick real good and this is cleaned up before we put them on. Alright, so we actually just used masking tape to line it up, and it's going to work super well. There's already some pre-drilled holes underneath, and I'm just using some inch-long self-tappers, which should be just fine. I'll show you guys the mounting holes, but essentially we're just going to self-tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in this thing, and see how she goes. Now we're going to throw these side skirts on. So again, I'm just wiping the bottom down with this isopropyl alcohol so that this 3M tape sticks. And then we're gonna get her mocked up on there, stuck on, and a couple self-tappers underneath. And this will be wrapped up. Dude, it's so low. I'm gonna have to get more of those for sure. I'm gonna be ripping that off. But that looks so good. I just gotta get all the bugs out of here. I haven't washed this thing in a minute. I think if I clean her up, that's the whole package right there. Let's pull her out of the garage, see these side skirts, check it out. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The car looks killer. Be sure to like, subscribe, check out Beamer Street, repping another T, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.